Welcome, DigiBuddy community. Prepare to dive into the world of e-commerce website design and uncover the elements that drive success. Successful e-commerce design. Showcasing successful e-commerce website design elements is your guide to a captivating online shopping experience. User-friendly navigation. Intuitive menus and categories lead shoppers effortlessly. Clean and engaging layout. Balance visuals with information for a pleasing experience. High-quality imagery. Showcase products through vivid visuals that tell a story. Clear product descriptions. Informative content empowers shoppers to make informed choices. Easy checkout process. Streamline steps, reducing friction for seamless transactions. Trust-building elements. Display customer reviews, security badges, and guarantees. Mobile responsiveness. A mobile-friendly design ensures accessibility on all devices. Personalization options. Offer tailored suggestions based on shopper preferences. Elevate your e-commerce game with the Digi Buddy's insights. Discover how these design elements elevate your online store's success, showcasing successful e-commerce website design elements, where creativity meets conversion. Ready to revolutionize your e-commerce website? Implement these elements and watch your sales soar. Thank you so much for watching this video. Save this video and share it to your circle. Don't forget to follow the DigiBuddy.